6 p.m. sharp na subong to our energetic principal, Dr. Warlito Rosarial. Please sit down, dear graduates. Thank you. To our hardworking assistant principal for senior high school, Ma'am Jenelina Bahas. And to our schools division superintendent, Dr. Salvador Ochabon Jr., who has so many businesses to attend to, he left earlier. To the hardworking staff, department heads, and faculty of Doña Montserrat Lopez Memorial High School, graduates, proud parents, ladies and gentlemen, guests, good evening. I'm Rene Roy Pahilanga from Doña Montserrat Lopez Memorial High School, Batch 85. 40 years ago, I was also in this very same venue. Diri man ang amon graduation, April 2, 1985. So that was the 14th commencement exercises. So ang aton nga alma mater 1968 mo. So hindi pa mo ni katawom ang gym sa una, no? Hindi pa to aircon, so wala pa LED screen. Our life then was so simple, lagi ng mga letterings siya ginakat out. And I was also like you, sitting there, and as I'm watching every face, I could tell a story, and I'm sure everyone has their story to tell. And I could go back, nostalgia, and my down memory lane again during my high school time. Galing sa amon time, ang high school, 4 years lang yan. So ang inyo 6, no? 4 plus 2 nga sa tungod sa K-12. So by this time, siguro kamo 16, 17 years old, or 18, no? Nga dira. I'm sure you will agree nga ang high school kuno is the most exciting part of your life. Tanan nga first, di mo, first crush, first love, first kiss, no? Doon kita, no? Ambot? Sakto na, sakto na. Gurong iba elementary pa lang naka-first niya, so depende. In our case, our life was so simple and very somewhat difficult sa amon high school. Kaya during that time, mga 80s, early 80s, that was the transition period when our high school transferred to its new location, subong sa along Rizal Street, no? Originally, nga aton nga school ara sa likod sang Silay South. Galing kikido kagamay to. And it was then known as Silay City High School and later as Silay City National High School. So, may gindonate to ang Lopez family sa aton na subong location. And in honor of their, I think, lola, no? Si Doña Montserrat. So, that's how our school is known today. During my time, no, ang amon to nga life as high school students, medyo budlay kay bago ito nagsaylo, ang mga school buildings namon to do temporary lang bala. Ang amon to nga school buildings, kahoy, ang iban nipa, ang iban ang walls, panpan ang amakan bala. Ang amon nga library, balo kamo, ang kadako niya daw 2 classroom, kag ang salog duta pa kay syempre bago saylo bala. Kay do gina amat-amat lang to improve. So over the years, nag-improve man ang school. So I consider all of you lucky yung atong school subong taong-taong na ganyan. Nagtamo na kahoy nga nag-shade sa inyo nga hindi na ko mainitan. During our time, ina ka mga kahoy daw magla nakatagas. So subong dabang-dabang. So dahil nyo makita nga ako ni Dad, ano nakadugay ina nga time. So bisan na mo lang itong amon siya na situation, we studied hard. And of course, dapat kami problema. And one of the many achievements na gusto ko gadya, i-take joy, take pride is during our time, isa naman ang amon library, no? Sa loob na mong duta, patuya. Ang amon nga, kung kisa mag-init, kay sin lang bala, wala kisa mi-init-init. But we worked hard, we studied hard. And during our time, intra man kami national, regional competitions, and we excelled. So, amon ako nung sila noon, kita tanan kung if we work hard, we could succeed no matter the difficulty. So, I'm sure kada isa sa inyo may problema, but never give up. Kaya ko sa una, akong mama, teacher in Doña Montserrat also, but night class to siya. And my father is a welder mechanic and he wanted to be an engineer ko, no? So, I asked him, paano ginang engineer? Niya, basta. So, galing kay circumstances beyond his control, daw ay ito, matigayon nga dream. So, I decided to pursue that dream, but ang problema ko sa una, pinaka-kontra ko sa subject, mathematics kaya from elementary, high school nabi. Pirmi ko na kabit-kabit lang grade ko sa math. So, paano ka maging engineer kung kontra kong math? Then, when I graduated, I enrolled sa UNOR. Culture shock ko to kay do, lain niya palang training tadi sa Montserrat. Pag-college, college algebra, trigonometry, calculus, physics. So, first time ko to na failure ko to sa mga amo na subjects, major. I was thinking of giving up na, no? Kailing ko, siguro hindi, para sa ako ng engineering, kaya tungod sa math, nga nabudlayan din ko. But I thought of my father and I thought of the many classmates nga nakon sa una nga ang iban to ay nakapursue college. So I took inspiration from them to work hard. Like amo na nga failure, I should not give up. So enroll ko liwat sa mga na-fail ko nga subjects, no. Ang nabi lang kay kung na-enroll mo liwat, at least may background ka na, hindi ka nabudlayan. So I passed them eventually. And so for many years, nakagraduate naman ko college, and I took the board and I passed. So, amo man sa inyo, kung ano di man ang problema, never give up and find strength in prayer. Kay ang atong life boring kung wala ta problema. So, problems make our life colorful. So, consider yourself lucky kay bisan amo lang tani nakalabot kamo sa amo ning achievement. So, before kamo karon magtulog, never let this day end without kissing your parents, your guardians, and thank them for working hard to help you become what you are today. So, palakpakan ta ato mga parents, be. Thank you, thank you. So, to the class of 2025, 40 years ago, no, ako yung high school. So, I would like to thank your principal, Dr. Rosarial, for making my dream come true. Kaya din siya gusto ko mag-speaker sa graduation sa Doña Montserrat. So, after 40 years na 2 months, sir, thank you. So, before we leave this place, offer a silent prayer of thanks sa aton God. Kay nalabot niyo ini nga stage in your life. Ang ibantang utod ay kalabot ni amone because of so many problems. But you are all lucky kay naka-achieve ka mo sa amone. But the fight does not end here. Think of your future because I know someday may ma-emerge din nga mga doctors, teachers, engineers, soldiers. So, make our city proud. Make Doña Montserrat proud by working hard and be the best versions of yourselves. So, congratulations again, class 2025. And before I end, I would like to borrow the words of Sir Rosariano when he said that, in all our ways, let us acknowledge God and He will guide our path straight. So, class 2025, congratulations and good evening. Thank you.